And when I'm asking for an answer, I just can't help but smile at that face. And then she throws her arms around me, she says, I wanna up and take you home with me. I say, okay, yeah, that's what I say. She's got this lovely disposition, I guess that's just the way that she was raised, yeah. Oh, and when I'm pressing for an answer, I just can't help but feel that I am safe. And then I throw my hands above me, I say, I wanna thank you for that lovely thing. She said, okay, I wanna love you anyway, yeah. Oh, say, I just can't help but smile at that face. Oh, and then she throws her arms around me, she says, I wanna up and take you home with me. I say, okay, I wanna love you anyway, yeah. Oh, I love you all night and day, yeah. You hear me? Help me talk up to you, baby. Well, hello, no, don't hang up that phone, I'm calling you just to say hello. Well, I know, I heard you've been living your new life away from home. Got a brand new phone, give me some time, you know. Give me some time, you know, 'cause I'm calling you. It's just 5 minutes of your life. Oh, you know I meant to write, but I had to call 6 folks I knew to get your number. And I'm calling you. I've been down on the ground, night after night I've been walking around, and so I know that this may be the last time ever I'm speaking to you. Can't you feel that too? Give me some time, you know. You gotta give me some time, you know. 'Cause I'm calling you. It's just 5 minutes of your life. Oh, you know I meant to write, but I had to call 6 folks I knew to get your number. And I'm calling you again. know, 'cause I'm calling you. Just 5 minutes of your life. Oh, you know I meant to ride, but I had to call 6 folks I knew to get your number. And I'm calling you again. Sunday evenings, twilight falling in front of me, like a mirror reminding me I've got dreams to attend to, and it's a warning, chilling call of the last to fly, saddening song of a long goodbye. It took longer this time, and wherever you are, whatever you do, all in all I'm still in love with you. It's amazing all the truth that the world can hide. Close your eyes and just open wide, take what's coming your way and are inspiring. Is the road where the future lies. Oh, it's hiding from your eyes. Wherever you are, whatever you do, all in all I'm still in love with you. Morning comes with the sun, kitchen's cold, coffee's on, my cigarette tastes harsh and dry, but still I'd smoke. I don't know why my mind's not here, it's there with you. Though I'm far away, I'm still there with you. I dress myself while brushing my teeth, though I'd stare in the mirror, there's nothing beneath that big grin that I wear. Ooh, I just thought I heard your voice from the room, calling me back to the bed where you lay. We could lay there all day, though I'm far away, I'm still there with you. Everything around me takes a different light. I need more to see through each song. All my wrong perspectives lost the biggest fight. Try being calm in the face of a storm. When will it stop, this crazy game? Or will it be forever? Is the path too narrow? Can I dance a little? Or move the mirror? Let the game. Every single move I make is monitored. I'm on trial each night and day, and according to the book it shouldn't be that way. I guess no one read that page. Indecisiveness won't slow you down, it'll stop you all together. Shadows fall around you from the chains that bind you. Let your heart take flight. Let it reach for a miracle. If you search long enough, you'll only get tired of time. Reach for a miracle. days grow short, the nights get long. The summer months are almost gone, but still we try. Round and around the whole world spins. We all throw all our 2 cents in before we die. And it all seems mighty nice to me. We all can be together. Do, do, do. Ooh, I'm waiting for my class to start, working hard with all my heart to please the boss. Whoever is the boss to me, maybe 1 but seems like 3. I've paid the cost. Ooh, and it costs too much, but it all seems mighty nice to me. Everyone can be together. Though by summer's end. Songs for everyone. Notice things are getting done. We're slowing down. Can I blame it all on you? If you and me, you do that too. So why the crowd? Well, it all seems mighty nice to me. Everyone can be together. Oh, by summer's end. No, 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 no. Oh, oh. My mama told me, she said, son, you've got to let yourself be, 'cause you are free. I've looked into my heart this time. Oh, and girl, I don't believe that silly line that always dreams come true. Nobody else could know, but I'm the one you see, and I'm never letting go of my love. Out of control, there's no time, and I just don't know if she cares for me. Ooh, I don't believe. You see, once everything I wanted I had. It was in my hand at one time, but I let it all slip on down the line. Should found her another lover, I just write songs for her. I've nothing more to offer but my love. Out of control, there's no time. Now I just don't know if she's ever gonna care for me. Ooh, I don't believe. heart this time. Oh, and girl, I don't believe that silly line that always dreams come true. Nobody else could know, but I'm the one you see, and I'm never letting go. My love, out of control, there's no time, and I just don't know if she's ever gonna care for me. Ooh, I don't believe. Ooh, you see, I've been there too. Nobody else can tell me. Oh, about you. Oh, I don't believe. Postman came walking up to my doorstep, reached in his bag for a letter to give. When he started walking, my heart kept on dropping. I was just hoping for a small part of you. Oh, and the world seemed so useless as I stood on the doorstep that night. My lips can't smile and my heart's paralyzed. Could it be because you just won't cry? Or will I be burned by unwritten plans? Well, I try not to make up these things I am thinking, but I'm slowly sinking. I'm that kind of man. Oh, and the world seems so useless as I wrote those lines by the light. My lips can't smile and my heart's paralyzed. Could it be because you just won't cry? Monday morning, the world goes to work, and planes fly their usual way. Must I rely on the night bird to bring back the message today? Postman came walking up to my doorstep, reached in his bag for a letter to give. When he started walking, my heart kept on dropping. I I was just hoping for a small part of you. Seems I've been home for a minute and I'm leaving again. Lord, can't you see I could use a bit more time? My roots disturb me every airplane ride. Maybe this time you could freeze up all of my ties. Maybe this time. Goodbye friends and lonely lovers, fallen angel city calls me away. Let's finish our drinks and wait till sunrise. Someday I'm gonna come home to stay. I'm twice as weak when not on native ground. There's no extent to what home can do for me. And I love the way the spirit here still smiles. How the good night stay another day. Another day. Goodbye friends and lonely lovers, Southern California calls me away. Let's finish our drinks and wait for sunrise. Someday I'm gonna come home to stay. Someday I'm gonna come home to stay. Someday.